Hello, dear students of grade 1. It's a third online class of social studies and part 3 of our unit 2, Rafi's house. And our today's topic is the bathroom. Alright, so today we are going to discuss the bathroom. On page number 8, what is a bathroom? Do you know what is a bathroom? Bathroom is a place where we take a bath and wash ourselves. Okay, why do we take a bath or wash ourselves? To keep ourselves clean so that we will be safe from the germs and viruses. Okay, now come to the book. Let's read this topic. Okay, Mama goes into the bathroom. Rafiz goes into the bathroom too. Mama, he says, "This is Ivy. Tell me later," says Mama. "I'm looking for Zan." They look in the shower, they look under the basin and under the tap. But they cannot find Zan. Alright. Now let's discuss it. The mama went to the bathroom after searching Zan in the lounge and kitchen, and Rafi went too, and he tried once again to to tell his mother about his toy bag, but she refused to listen to him as they were searching Zan under the tap. But they couldn't find Zan. Okay, now let's discuss the picture. This picture, okay? Okay. What can you see in this picture? Okay, I can see the shower. I can see the basin, which we also call the sink as well. And I can see the towel, I can see the window, I can see tiles on the walls, and I can see a person too. Can you see? In a red shirt? Yeah, this one. Okay. Now think about it. Who is he? Yeah, you're right. It's Zan. As I told you before that he was playing hide and seek with his family. He's not actually lost, but he is trying to play with his family. Okay, so that's what's happening in this picture. And now your task to do is that go to your bathroom and explore it. Okay, go to your washroom at your home and explore it. Look the things and talk about that with your family. Alright, now let's come to the bookwork. What is this? Match and write. Okay, these are the pictures. Some are here and some are here. Okay, now what are you going to do? You will write the correct word in front of the pictures, of the given pictures, and then you will match them. Okay, and so the first word is tap, then basin, then shower. Okay, then you will see at this place that which word comes with which picture. Okay, and then you can do that. This is your homework. That's what you're going to do, and you will read this picture as well. All right, beside that, I'm going to give you the page in your skill book as well. Okay, this is your page, the skill book, page number 8. And what is it about? It's about that things in the bathroom and bedroom. Okay, the things which you see in the washroom, the bathroom and in the bedroom. Okay, number A, match and label. Okay, label means that you will write the names. Okay, so here are here are the pictures, and same pictures are here as well. Okay, so you will see the pictures and you will write the names as well at another side as well, and then you will match them. Okay, and then the question number B is that circle the things you find in the in a bathroom. Okay, then what are you going to do? You will circle the things, those things only which you see in the bathroom, as you can see in your book as well. And I think you will also know that what things comes in a washroom. Okay, I mean what things you see in your washroom. I mean you can see that as well. You can compare your washroom with these pictures as well, so you will get it. All right, so these are your things. I mean this is your homework. This page is your homework, and this is your homework, and you have to read this page as well. All right, thank you so much. Do this work, and thank you so much.